Hello, Gary here with Vintage LEDs. Wanted to show you a new product that I've come out with. This is a front park turn light for a 69 or 70 Mustang. Each board here has 32 OSRAM LEDs. These are automotive qualified LEDs. Also, each board is coated in a conformal coating from Humiseal. It's a silicone conformal coating to protect the LEDs from moisture and corrosion. It just goes in with a simple 1157 pigtail. Here, I'll show you how it goes together. There's a slot in the back of the 1157 for a screwdriver. This really helps out when you're trying to get this thing to mate. Just push in and turn. Then to get the board to go in, it's actually a little bit easier just to line the screws up with the gasket and the lens and the board. Just twist them through a little bit here. On the other side. So this all fits right into your stock housing. So there's what it looks like all put together. Let me power it up for you. So there's the park. And then there's the turn. Thanks for watching.